Hey knitters! Today's stitch in focus is the kfyofyof and how to turn it into brioche as seen in
the locks and keys pattern by Knit Echo Chic.
So you can see on the shawl you get this really pretty curve, and this area here takes a lot of attention, but it creates a really lovely result. So got a swatch here, and I'm starting on row 1 of the body. I've already done the side rows. Knit 3, yarn over, slip 4 back, and then knit 4. And this just extends the I-cord so it doesn't pucker on you when you block it. Yarn over, work your increase, knit into the front, yarn over, front, yarn over, front, and then work the last increase on this row, which is a yarn over. Now you're going to have a slip-one yarn over here, and you just had a yarn over. So make sure when you're coming back on your next row, you treat these as 2 different stitches. So that's the yarn over, and then slip-one yarn over. And then pattern and brioche to end. When you get to the end, you'll realize, oh, these aren't in brioche anymore. So you've finished your bark and slip-one yarn over, and then you have regular knit stitches. So just let muscle memory take over and continue. It's actually a knit 1, slip-one yarn over, knit 1, slip-one yarn over, knit 1, slip-one yarn over, knit 1, and slip 4. And that is now set up in brioche for your next pass. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy knitting!